Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. We've got an item from our friends over at AFE Power. It is the pedal to metal throttle sensitivity booster. Now real quick, for those of you that don't know what a throttle sensitivity booster is, it's this little unit right here that plugs into the OEM port behind your throttle pedal that does exactly that, increases the sensitivity of your throttle. A lot of these trucks, when you hop into them, especially the diesel ones, have that lag or delay when you go to accelerate. You notice a little bit of a pause. Well, this has different levels that you can adjust and fine tune to increase that response time in your throttle. Now, cool thing about this unit is it is Bluetooth capable, so it hooks up to a Google Play and iOS platforms. You download the app, you plug this into your vehicle, the install takes about 5 minutes, and then you have full control over the sensitivity of your throttle position. They have stock mode, eco mode, sport mode, performance mode, and race mode, and inside each of those modes you can adjust the sensitivity levels. So 5 different modes. Inside those 5 different modes you can adjust the sensitivity right on your app, so you can really fine-tune the throttle sensitivity on your vehicle. If you'd like to learn more information about the pedal to metal from AFE Power, you can click the link in the bio or just come check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.